Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Gingerbread Lantern and Fish It game on Roblox Christmas Update Part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get the Gingerbread Lantern, you need to complete a quest in Fish It, and I'm going to show you what kind of quest that you need to complete to get the Gingerbread Lantern. Okay, I'm going to go to the event quest, and this is the quest guys. Save the Christmas Express. You need to fish up the missing train wheels for the Christmas Express, and when you can complete this quest or this mission, you will get this gingerbread lantern as your reward. Okay, and you can view the quest right here. Fish up for train wheels to save the Christmas Express. And I'm going to show you guys the spot to catch the train wheel. Okay, you can go to this area, guys. And this area can give you chance to get the train wheel. Okay, you can fish in this area, guys. And I got one train wheel from here. I still need to collect 3 train wheels to complete the Save the Christmas Express quest. And after we complete the mission, we can get the gingerbread lantern. Thank you guys, and that's how you can get the gingerbread lantern in Fish It Game on Roblox Christmas Update Part 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!